put in the chat box a word that would describe for you an ineffective presentation. One that either bores you or has you feeling frustrated or saying adjectives you wouldn't say out loud about the speaker. So in the chat box, put for me what you would use as a descriptor of an ineffective presentation.
Monotone, boring, toneless. Lack of emotion, passion, boring, information overload. Without any stories. And Priscilla saying all the time and not speaking loud enough, talking about something else, no eye contact, low monotone voice, boring information.
Boring to you might be the wrong speaker, wrong topic to the wrong audience. So those are all really valid points, and I'm going to try to address all of them, and I'm going to do my best to model enthusiasm. If you're not passionate about your subject, who will be? You're the head of the band, and you are leading with your emotions, your enthusiasm, your passion, and hopefully a depth of creativity and depth of knowledge in your topic area. So let's talk now, move to more of the positive end.
Presentation that feels is directed at me, speaks at me.
Right.
Donna is saying one that you wish went on longer and longer. It's so pleasing. Meg is saying engaging, makes me think, and I receive some value. Arlene is saying delivered with facts, a story and sources, plus a smile. Staying on the topic, intriguing and informative, but staying on the topic, focused.
Right.
Something you're learning from, amounts of content added with interaction and participation. The speaker is well prepared, focused, with excellent, with good takeaways.
You've nailed what's an effective presentation, and you've nailed what is an ineffective presentation. One of the two aspects to think about is the speaker that comes on who's very, very arrogant, the know-it-all, and it's I, me, no asking questions of participants or audience. When I say participants, that's kind of training and workshops. When I say audience, that's typically a keynote. The other end of the spectrum around a poor presentation is somebody who is working out their emotional troubles. And they start to talk about the time that they were robbed, and they start talking about the robber coming. I'm sorry, I can't. Right. Do not do therapy on the platform. It happens too often. So it's not a place to expect what your audience is supposed to do. You need to come on the platform, have the sense I know enough, I'm experienced enough, I'm here and present, I prepared the best I could, and I would say 50% or more of the time something goes wrong, especially this era of technology.